Hello everybody, hello everybody, hello everybody, how are you doing? What do? It is January, no, it is December 26. Bang, 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 December 26. Let me silent my phone, but I don't need it though, because I put it on do not disturb mode. Do 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 do. All right, getting back to business. 9:58. When players follow their action recommendation for R, there exists a unique, symmetric truthfulness mechanism maximizing revenue. In this mechanism, the recommended actions are deterministic given. Hence, where we want to separate them. Sigma AI do the equation that so that's it. So we went to the proof, and then we said R, no elbow on the table. For R, the objective is concave. Since mu is unconstrained, guys, let's have some big bracket here, huh? We have, wait, where is, okay, I say left, but this time Enter is right, and this time I felt that sounds good. That is good. Look at the tracing. Now it looks good. Alright. Resulting in this. Now the optimization problem changes to this, which is all sigma, and the rational term in the objective function, which is this, is concave. The quadratic term is concave as well. Therefore, well, it's not a quadratic. It's just linear. Shit, it's just linear. Yeah, I should say that. There is no quadratic term. You know, we have sigma I squared. But it is just, it's the variable is sigma I squared. It is not sigma AI itself. Concave. I feel it's enough. The rest, the objective is linear. Therefore, the whole objective is gone. I say rest of it. Alright, that's enough. Okay, the main issue was referencing. Therefore, the whole objective is concave. We introduced non-negative Lagrange multipliers. Lambda nu for the rest. Stationarity. Gives the following system. From above we have, what is this? Okay. Why should I have EQRF here? Guys, even we did it yesterday. I cannot remember what happened yesterday. What happened yesterday? What happened yesterday? So we need to do. I want it. Right, so no, I want this. Where is this one? Okay. Yes, I can say from above we have okay, what I want to say is that we have 36, 37, 38, but not 35, because 35 is from this one. Alright, so maybe we can separate them. Yeah, let's do that. From above we okay, so I want to do an EQRF and I will come here, separate mu AI. Begin equation. Why not? And that's it. And together. Okay, that's good. So the whole gathered will be in a display math environment. Oh, what? Like a wooden grass. Okay. That's it. I guess it's fucking hurts. And also but display math doesn't have a number. Okay, I want to have a number. Therefore, I say equation. U as well. That's better. And this is better. So now I need to add label for this stuff. But what will be our label? Okay, we have to. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, what is the fucking label? Let's start some label. Omega, I wanna see. I should go TWO probably. The same shit. Alright, yeah. This motherfucker used gather here. Oh shit. New rate. So it's in gather inside equation. That's weird. So okay, we want to look at the labels. We wanna look at the label, We wanna look at the label. This is revenue. I wanna look at the label. Look at the label, label. The label. Do you have some label? Table. Gather, star, enumerate. Where is the label? I want to see some label. Okay. Soul welfare. I say soul TWO. Then good. Soul. EQ soul. Okay. EQ. So TWO. And now we come here. We have look how many. God please, I deserve a Nobel Prize. I give myself a Nobel Prize. Fuck Nobel Association or whatever if they don't give it to me. This fucking paper, it has no value, but took so long, so I deserve Nobel Prize. By the way, Nobel Prize and Nobel Prize. What is the price for a Nobel Prize? Nobody knows who was the Nobel Prize winner in econ. Like this year, Nobel Prize in chemistry, somebody won from MIT, and I knew his or her graduate student, but I didn't even ask her what is her advisor's name. So who gives a fuck? Who was the last Nobel Prize winner? I don't care. We have this because you add nothing to people's lives. You fucking Nobel Prize winners, you are just winning Nobel Prize for yourself. From above, we have this, and now I want to say V and lambda. I want to remove sigma m. Yeah, I don't care. You know, at the worst case, we will edit this part. Again. Okay, now I want to say since, wait, I. Give me the fucking I. Okay. Now we also have to say why the solution is unique. Why is the solution unique? What was my reasoning? For solution to be unique. So we have this curve like this, and we have this line like this. They cut each other. Why does it make the solution unique? Well, this curve is like decreasing. The curve is decreasing, the line is increasing. They will cut each other for sure. And this, okay, this section of the curve and the line can have only one solution. Why doesn't the line cut through the section of the curve which is like on the left hand side of its asymptote? Um, let's look at the graphs we have. So these two can only cut each other once because this is increasing, this is decreasing. That's it. Yep, they will cut, that's easy. The second part, these two parts, why can't they intersect each other? Or these two is because if we can say the intersection of the asymptotes is always above the line, and the second term is always above that part, that will be fine, right? Yeah. So what is the, so the y is y over t over 2 y t over 2 is the value of the intersection. What is the x? X is, or sigma I theta I is 2 n minus 1 RT sigma theta I squared, 2n minus 1 RT sigma theta I squared over 2n minus 1 r minus 1. That's it. And if I put it in the line, we have two r plus 1/2 squared 1/2 n minus 3 r no, it's not opening. Minus n minus 2r times here, just copy and paste. So this can I say if it is bigger than 1/2? T over 1/2 of t. That is our question mark. And so just copy and paste all this shit. Copy, paste, clean up. 1/2 sigma theta is squared. It's a very big thing based on R. Okay. You have to do it, there is no other way. For R plus 1/2 minus. Well, I don't know if negative or positive. So this denominator is 1/2 minus n minus 2r. Is it positive or negative? N minus 2 or 1/2. And remember, r is in minus 1/2. R is in minus 1/2 and 1/2 n minus 1. So it is true because n greater than or equal to 2, right? N is 2, inequality destroyed. N greater than 2, r is 1/2 less than n minus 2, which is true because r is less than 1/2 n minus 1, which is smaller than 1/2 n minus 2. So that is true. That shell is positive. Okay, that's true. What about 2n minus 1 r minus 1? That is negative. Right? Yes, that's negative. okay, r is less than 1 over 2n minus 1. Therefore 2n minus 1 r minus 1 is less than 0. That is obvious. Negative. Negative. So we should change the direction. 4r plus 1/2 minus n minus 3r 2n minus 1 r less than 1/2 minus. You cannot see me. It would be cool if you had another screen you could see this, but it won't be in near future. 2n minus 1 r minus 1. Right, now I have to do the computation. This should be negative. Well, if r is positive, left hand side of my inequality will be positive, right hand side of my inequality will be negative. So it's not true. If r is positive, it says this. So why do we have this shape here? It's not congruent with the graph we have here. My computations show that my other computations are not congruent, because when r is positive, right, and t is always positive, so when r is positive, the asymptote, the vertical asymptote, should have a negative value like this shape. And this one is when r is negative, right? Yes, minus 1 over half. Here r is positive and this. So that's this case. And we were saying if the value, well, actually that's not true, it is true. Okay, why I started? We are saying we wanted to see if this point, can I zoom in? Zoom. Wanted to see if this point, the intersection of two asymptotes, is above this line. So, okay, I started the inequality wrong. So there was an incongruence, but not in the photo, but here. should I ask y of line is always less than t over 2, which is the value of horizontal asymptote. And again, I should change this part. Question mark. And then so now when r is positive, it holds truly. When r is negative, this term is negative. This term is negative as well, so I cannot say. So when r is positive, it holds. When r is negative, how does it work? When r is negative, there's a fucking big equation I don't want to solve. Okay, so we say f of r is 4 r plus 1/2 minus n minus 3 r 2 n minus 1 r minus 1/2 minus n minus 2 r 2 n minus 1 r minus 1. And to see if it is greater than 0 or not. F of 0 is 0 minus 1/2 times minus 1 is 1/2 is greater than 0. F of minus 1/2 minus so f of minus 1/2 is also positive, which is good. So now what I need is saying that this motherfucker stays above the line all the time. I guess I'm gonna compute. ChatGPT, OpenAI. Is ChatGPT good at computation? What happened here? 4 times r plus 1/2 times 1/2 minus n minus 3. Is it GPT-4 or GPT-3? N minus 3 r times 2 n minus 1 r minus 1/2 minus n minus 2 r two n minus 1 r minus I want to say simplify the above formula as a polynomial with variable r, right? No, dude, you're wrong. You're wrong. This is not true. 4r plus 1/2 1/2 minus n minus 3r times 2n minus 1r. And you just removed it. So ChatGPT is not right all the time. You have to make sure no. No. So I think it's just better not to use ChatGPT for this. Yeah. did I do? Okay, thanks. Mm-hmm. Alright. Do it, motherfucker. The expression is process is lengthy and do it, mofo. And paying $5 per month for you. Please, yes. Oh my god, he's fuck you, bitch. Control and Google search. Polynomial calculator. Let me see what you got. Yeah, that's it. Wolfram. Mm-hmm. That sucks actually. Okay, n0, n greater than 2. So, as you can see, when n is greater than or equal to 2, we can see that in the interval minus 1/2 and 0, we have no roots. So it is good. And expanded form, roots are these. Oh, he computed the roots. Damn, Wolfram is crazy. Complex roots. Roots for the variable r. Okay, what I want is this. Hopefully when n is greater than 3, we can say, yo dog, this motherfucker is decreasing, and at 0 it is this, and then we will be fine. Even n for n greater than 3 and for n equal to 2, we are fine as well. So let's look at the expanded form. From f of r is minus 8n squared are cute. I had a friend I have a friend, and he was practicing for his exam, like he was in business management or something, and they had a econ course which needed calculus, and I was helping him. Every time he couldn't say cube, he says, like, he didn't know actually it was cube. He said like 32n r cubed. Actually, I have to text him and see how did it go with his exam. To NR3 14 NR2 minus 24 R3. Honestly, it's just waste of time, motherfucker. R2 plus R plus 1/2 prime of R is minus 24 into R2 minus 4 into R plus 96 in R2 plus 28 in R minus 72 R2 24 R plus 1. Well, there is no way I can say this motherfucker is negative. I don't want, it's just every way to say that this is negative. It's ugly. Nope. I don't like it. I don't like it. Feeling sleepy, to be honest. And this shit is ugly. So let's just forget about comparing it with the asymptote value. Let's say even though it is true, one other way that comes to my mind is that we say, okay, let's find the point here on this curve that has the same slope. The tangent line has the same slope as this line, and say that after, because it is convex, this motherfucker is convex. The only thing we need to say is that The tangent line, like the point where the tangent line have the same slope here, the value of it is bigger than the value of y on the line. Either this or the asymptote works as well. Okay, so I will put it here because I want to stop this video so we can say this line here, right? If I say the line that is tangent here, because this is convex, if this line is above this motherfucking blue line, we are good to go. Okay, for this one it is easy. For second, I say, okay, we are in the